guys, so in this video, my topic, I have a very simple topic that I would love to share with you guys, okay? So our topic is how to be happy in life, okay? So how to be happy in life, it's very easy naman daw guys to be happy in life, okay? First is to do what we want to do, okay? Kasi most of the time, ayaw natin gawin yung mga bagay kasi natatakot tayo, nahihiya tayo. Di ba may kasabihan nga na kung hindi naman immoral yung gagawin, why not try to do it, right? Like you want to sing, then sing. You want to dance, and then dance. You want to write, and then write, right? Like me, I'm happy in life because every time that I feel like singing, I would love to sing. Whenever I feel like writing, I do writing, right? And it's obviously on my Facebook, right? Whenever I feel like painting, and I do paint, okay? So maybe that's one of the reasons why I found myself happy in life, okay? So no one is trying to restrict me from doing what I love to do, okay? So my husband is very supportive to me, okay? So and then second, you have to have a partner who is supportive to what you want to do in life, right? Okay? So you have to pray to the Lord. If you don't have a good husband yet, you pray to the Lord, okay? That you may find a husband that can support what you want to do in life, okay? So, kailangan supportive ang husband nyo sa gusto nyo gawin. And then, ayan, hayaan lang kayo saan kayo mag-grow, di ba? Kung anong kailangan nyo, provide. Kaya anong gamit na kailangan nyo, bigyan kayo. Okay, so, that's one of the secrets to be happy in life is to find a good partner talaga, guys. Husband, okay? So, ayun, pagdasal sa Panginoon. Okay, and then another thing is you have a goal in life. Ano ba? You have to set a purpose. Okay, ano ba yung purpose mo sa buhay mo? What do you want in life? Kasi ang tao babangon araw-araw kasi meron siyang goal eh. Kapag wala ka ng goal in life, wala na, matutulog ka na lang. And you want to, di ba? Wala nang driving force na para sa'yo para gumet-up in life. Okay, so meron kang purpose. So what is our purpose in life? As a Christian, our purpose in life is to enlighten one another, okay? Sabi nga, bilang isang Kristiyano, para tayong mga kandila, okay? Tayo yung magbibigay. Just in case one candle that you saw in the street, walang lit up, so you have to lit it up. Okay? Iilawan mo yung isang kandila na kailangan para makatulong din siya. Mag-ilaw din sa iba pang kandila na wala pang sindi. Okay, so that's the purpose of our existence here on earth. Kasi minsan, para iniisip natin, ang existence natin is more on money making. Di ba? Which is hindi naman talaga yun. What is God's purpose? Why God created us? Okay, so it's important that, kumbaga, deeply rooted ang ating faith. Okay, we do the meditation. Okay, what is meditation? So meditation is when we are fond of meditating, kumbaga, learning the Word of God. So, lahat, ang mga Word of God, parang na sa buhay mo, sa utak mo, magiging purposeful ang buhay mo, right? So, magiging happy ka. Kasi tatanungin mo, Lord, Lord, what's my purpose in life? And God will talk to you, ano ba yung purpose of life? Okay, di ba ang purpose ng tao is to lift up one another, okay, so become an inspiration for one another. Kasi hindi naman ang purpose of life na magkompetensyahan tayo dito eh. To become supportive to our friends, to other people, kung sino yung mga tao na nakikita mo that they are doing their best naman to inspire other people also. Okay, so let's help them. So yun naman ang purpose in life eh. Hindi yung mag-inggit kasi sa totoo lang sa social media makikita mo yung mga taong inggitero. Hindi man nila sabihin na nararamdaman natin. Hindi naman tayo mga bobo, di ba? Kaya, sabi ko, bakit natin kakaingitan yung kapwa natin? Okay? Yung kaibigan natin, ang content creator. There are people who are like that. They love to support those who are already famous, but don't love to support mga maliliit na content creator. And I obviously saw it from time to time. Okay? So, bahala na sila. Okay? They don't know the purpose of life yet. Hindi naman kompetensya na ano eh. Why? Are you afraid that those people who are small right now will become famous in the days to come? Yung ba pinakatakot nyo? Or you can help them to become successful in what they're doing? I will be very happy kung yung taong sinusupport ko na maliit na small content creator in the days to come, she will be famous. Kasi support ako sa kanya eh. Diba dapat ganun? So kaya marami ang unhappy sa content sa social media kasi there is an envy in their part, right? Kasi kaya ako, being a social media person, very much, kumbaga, inclined ako sa social media. I like to support people. Pag nakikita ko talaga na, even mga kapwa ko, mga FFP friend ko, makita ko na nagko-content, we support them. And they know it, di ba? Lahat support ko kasi gusto ko, lahat tayo ma-sensor, right? But not all are kind. But not all are good. So yun nga. So why? Because they don't know that the purpose of life is to help one another, to inspire one another, to give an inspiration to one another. Okay? So that's why many people are not happy. Because deep down in their hearts, nandun yung mga negative feelings. That is, what do you call this? Kumbaga, resting in their heart. Okay? So all you need to do is to what? Free yourself from those negativity. Learn how to be loving, learn how to be forgiving, learn how to care for one another, learn how to support one another. Kasi that's the purpose of life eh. Diba? Support one another, inspire each other. Diba? So gano'n lang naman eh, nagiging madamo tayo sa ibang tao. Kasi pinapares natin sa puso natin yung negativity. Okay? So, many people are unhappy. Because nandun sa utak nila lagi yung competition that this person might be successful in the days to come. No, you don't have to think about that. You have to think that every people in the world should be successful because lalo na kung nagsasumikap sila, di ba? So, give them the chance. Okay? So, tayong tawag dito, may gitin sa kapwa natin. Okay? So, ayun naman guys. That's my opinion. I don't know sa part na kung ano. Okay, bye and thanks for watching. Love you all.